Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Halloween inspired makeup tutorial. It's going to be a mini makeup tutorial because my phone kept stopping. So I did my eyebrows off camera and I'm going to underline them with my concealer in the color Toffee to give it a more defined look. And then I'm going to spread the concealer on my eyelids so that it's more of a base for the eyeshadow that I'm getting ready to use. Okay, boom, like I said, my phone kept stopping, so immediately I'm jumping into my eyelid with this dark green. I didn't have any particular look that I was going for, so sometimes freestyling isn't a bad thing. So now I've applied my base color on. I'm going to go ahead and apply my dark shade on top in the color black to give it a smoky eye look. You guys, I am the absolute worst when it comes to these eye wings. I have no idea how people do it so perfect. I've tried almost every technique, but I'm not trying hard enough because I cannot get it right. I don't know. It's better. I'm sorry, you guys. I have baby Makai in the back. It's better for me to just clean it up after I screw it up because I don't know. Like, I can't get it right. I just can't. Somebody help me. Okay, you guys, so here I'm moving on to the foundation. I don't know what I was doing on the under eyes, but I think I put either green and the black shade mixed together under my eyelids, but I kind of covered it up with my foundation. So if you do that, no worries, but it'll definitely still show under the waterline, which under the circumstances ended up working out for me. So here I'm going to start contouring my cheekbones, my chin, the side of my chin, my forehead, and the sides of my nose. And go ahead and blend that in. Now I'm adding the color concealer Cool Tan onto my under eye, the bridge of my nose, the corners of my mouth, the lower part of my chin, my peak of my forehead, and the sides of my chin. So after a while, you're going to feel like the Migos because you're going to be dabbing for a while. Don't stop dabbing. You want to make sure that color is blended in all the way. Okay, yeah, like I said, y'all, my phone kept stopping, so I've already put on my lashes. Okay, now I'm going to use my baking powder on my under eyes and on the bridge of my nose and wherever else you apply the concealer onto your face. Anywhere that you want to pop and to last all day, that is what the baking powder is used for. You want to immediately blend that in. You no longer want to bake and let it sit because it's going to give you a really bright look. I'm doing a lot of stuff out of order, so don't worry, trust the process. I'm now adding lash glue to my eyelids so I can add some glitter. I'm giving myself a little bit of lip liner with the dark pencil. As you can see, I added a few rhinestones to my eyelid just to give it an extra pop. I grabbed my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette and just some random cheap lipstick. It's super dark, so I felt like it would just be the perfect match. So I'm adding highlighter. I love highlighter. That's probably my favorite part of makeup. Especially putting it on my nose, my cheeks. It makes you look like a princess. And then I finish it off with some powder foundation. Finish it off with your setting spray, and that is it, you guys. That is the look. Thank y'all for watching. Like this video, and I hope y'all had a safe and happy Halloween.